Hi there. So today I'm gonna be talking about Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and the change in the market over the past 10 years. It's nice to see you again and welcome back. Let's get started. Shiba Inu rally of 50% incoming. So what happened here? Shiba Inu broke out of its prevailing cup and handle pattern on August 14. But what is that? A cup and a handle pattern appears when the price falls and rises in a U-shaped trajectory in the first stage, followed by a swift move sideways or downward in the second. According to the rules of technical analysis, a cup and handle breakout target is determined by measuring the distance between the lowest point here and the resistance line and adding it to the breakout point here. As a result, SHIB could reach the price of 0.002253. In other words, a 50% increase in September. But this is the future we're talking about. Let's talk about the past. Shiba Inu's rally yesterday had no visible catalyst except a metric showing that SHIB's burn rate surged by 825% in a day. But the amount of burned SHIB is worth only over $4,500. In addition, the Shiba Inu rally came almost 10 days after Binance's announcement to add SHIB support on its payment card issued in Europe. In doing so, the cryptocurrency exchange is raising the potential of Shiba Inu to find new users in the emerging European cryptocurrency market. Now, going back to the technical part, according to veteran analyst Tom Bulkowski, cup and handle setups have only a 61% success rate in meeting the target profits. In consequence, we could see a pullback from the 200-day EMA, which is the blue wave in the chart here, and this could cause SHIB to have a potential correction down 20% from the price on August 14, which is the price on this line. Now, on the second piece of news, let's keep talking about Shiba. Shiba is bigger than Dogecoin, at least on Twitter. This happened after SHIB showed exceptional performance on August 14th of 2022 and went over 30% in 24 hours. Shiba Inu now has a total of 3.44 million followers on Twitter, and Dogecoin is followed by 3.43 million people. But that's not all. It also became the 12th largest cryptocurrency in the world in terms of market cap, beating Avalanche and Polygon. But how did this happen? SHIB broke the critical resistance level of 0.00013 by breaking the ascending triangle pattern on the daily chart. After the breakout, Shiba Inu skyrocketed by more than 30% and approached the next short-term resistance at 0.001797. And lastly, let's talk about how the top 10 cryptos have changed from 2017 to today. As you can see here, it has changed a lot, but Bitcoin and Ethereum have always led the way. In 2017, we found Bitcoin Cash Fork in third place. Today there's a stablecoin, Tether, which we all know, whereas in the fourth place in 2017 there was Ripple, XRP, instead of the current Binance coin, BNB. Other changes can also be found in the next positions, with IOTA, NEM, Monero, and Dash now completely dropping out of the top 10 to give way to the other stablecoin USDC, Solana, Terra, well, Terra is gone, and Dogecoin, at least according to the data from February of 2022. But what happened before 2017? Well, in 2014, it was Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and it was followed by Monero in the top 10. Now, let's keep going with interesting facts about the past years. In 2015, the unknown project, well, at least now, called Strong Hands was in the top 10, and now it's in the position 2365. In March 2017, Verge has also entered the rankings, and Bitcoin Cash in August of 2018. Now let's go with the honorable mention: Dash, NEM, Stellar, and EOS, which have also entered the rankings from time to time over the years from 2014 to now. But what about the market cap? Well, you can see it here, divided by years. The most remarkable thing I would like to highlight here is the period between 2020 and 2021, when the crypto market capitalization actually more than tripled from 356 billion to 1.85 trillion. 2021 is in fact the year where many cryptocurrencies marked their all-time highs and the period when NFTs came into their own. And this helped the industry to get closer to the masses. Well, that's all for today, and see you in the next one.